Nvidia just released the 5000 series of graphics cards, and well, along with that, they talked about Agentic AI, which it seems like will be, replacing our jobs in the next few years. Basically, Agentic AI is the AI agents of the future. Check it out.
AI agents are the new digital workforce, working for and with us. AI agents are a system of models that reason about a mission, break it down into tasks, and retrieve data or use tools to generate a quality response. Nvidia's Agentic AI building blocks, NIM pre-trained models, and NeMo framework let organizations easily develop AI agents and deploy them anywhere. We will onboard and train our agentic workforces on our company's methods, like we do for employees. AI agents are domain-specific task experts. Let me show you 4 examples. For the billions of knowledge workers and students, AI research assistant agents ingest complex documents like lectures, journals, financial results, and generate interactive podcasts for easy learning.
By combining a UNet regression model with a diffusion model, CoreDiff can downscale global weather forecasts down from 25 kilometers to 2 kilometers.
Developers, like at Nvidia, manage software security AI agents that continuously scan software for vulnerabilities, alerting developers to what action is needed. Virtual lab AI agents help researchers design and screen billions of compounds to find promising drug candidates faster than ever. And video analytics AI agents, built on an Nvidia Metropolis blueprint, including Nvidia Cosmos Nematron vision language models, Llama Nematron LLMs, and NeMo Retriever. Metropolis agents analyze content from the billions of cameras generating 100,000 petabytes of video per day. They enable interactive search, summarization, and automated reporting, and help monitor traffic flows, flagging congestion or danger. In industrial facilities, they monitor processes and generate recommendations or improvement. Metropolis agents centralize data from hundreds of cameras and can reroute workers or robots when incidents occur. The age of agentic AI is here, for every organization.
With Agentic AI, they said that they will be having this being able to run off an Nvidia graphics card. They said that Nvidia has 2 different services that they offer, NIMS and NeMo. And what these basically do is help deploy these AI agents with the features they need. So NIMS will have basically a one-stop shop for every type of AI microservice at that will be needed in order to train an AI. So basically, if your AI needs vision capabilities or hearing capabilities in order to analyze sound, analyze text, generate images, it will have all that in one-stop shop for it to have like a broad range of capabilities. So since we're using this analogy like they're going to replace our job, if you want a worker or a human, you need that worker to be able to speak, hear, maybe write down something, use a computer, walk, or whatever you may need to do. That's what it's coming with. It's coming with what a human is, all the skill sets a human would need in order to be trained. Because even though a human can write, maybe can use a computer, doesn't necessarily mean they can use fine lines. Don't mean they can use a calculator. They need to have that skill be trained into them. And that's where NeMo comes in. NeMo is the training, as in the keynote speaker. He said that it's like the onboarding for these AI agents. So it's the literal training, getting them up to speed on what they need after they can read and write, after they can see the world, after they have maybe broad generic programming knowledge. Now you can train them on the knowledge that you have so it can replace you. So it can train you on a lot of that different stuff as well. So it can have that enterprise knowledge that you have, as well as the broad general knowledge, so it can then have better adherence to program on what you have, maybe do different type of analysis on what the company does and their type of culture and their type of features and processes. So it's not a bad idea, but definitely it's kind of scary because right now they're pitching like, oh, they're going to work alongside you. And it's kind of reminds me of when America started to outsource a lot of their talent, where it's like they used to bring in a lot of offshore resources, and now you're training them, you're giving them information, and next thing you're out and they're in, and they have all your industry experience and knowledge and all the background knowledge, so they don't need you anymore for a cheaper labor source. Same thing seems kind of happening for AI agents and just agentic AI, where it's like, hey, we're coming in, we'll have it train with you so you will learn, and it can help you out. But how long is it going to help you out? Because the whole sales pitch here was that they're not going to go to the enterprise, so they're not going to go to the company and pitch it to the company. They're going to pitch it to the individual so that it can help out the individual, which is not a bad idea. I think that definitely makes sense, as you see with ChatGPT and other AIs right now. Definitely coming in and pitching it to the end user has created this huge popularity here. If we were just some boring business corporate type of platform application, it may not be as wide of an adoption as far as popularity goes. And we see that in like developers, individual like marketing people, creatives are using AI to do what they need to do because they like it and they see the need in it. Or not necessarily the need, but they see the productivity, they see the benefit of using this. So that makes sense to go to them. But I just kind of wonder, how long is it going to be the narrative that it's like, hey, so your co-helpmate, it's this person that helps you do your thing, and it turns into you don't need them use the AI that you being trained on, because who's retaining that knowledge? Who's retaining all this information that you're giving this AI agent, right? And as well as even people who are saying, no, it's just to help you out. Think about it like this. Even if it is just to help you out, it may help you so much that it's not as much as of a demand for the same type of user or same type of worker that you are. So let's say now this AI agent makes you 20, 30, 40% more productive. That may mean, let's say that's over a team, let's say a developers or a marketing firm. Now, let's say that may mean that they need 40% less, or let's say 25% less of the marketing staff because the others are so much more productive. That could really significantly impact the job market because now we don't need these type of people. It's kind of crazy to think about it like that, but let's be real. Companies do want cheaper labor. If you look at any company, one of the biggest line items on any balance sheet is labor. So cutting down on labor by any means necessary is usually a huge benefit to companies. So having the end user, the business user, or the developer, or the marketing person, or whoever using AI agents right now is just helping it understand, or Nvidia or whatever company is going to come out and talk about AI agents, is going to help it understand for it to make their product better. So in a sense, if you're not paying for it, then you are the product in a sense, right? So you're paying for it, just like how a lot of these social media companies use your data. Well, a lot of these AI agents may use your data to train it. And so let's say not by 2025, 2026, but maybe by 2030, this AI agent can really be deployed and get up to scale and up to speed with certain things faster than you can. And what does that mean for our jobs? But I don't want to be cynical about stuff, but I do think that's also interesting to see that you can do this, because this does help out small businesses like entrepreneurs. Because if you do want to be an entrepreneur or a small business owner, this can really help you out, because now, well, you may not be able to hire a $100,000, $200,000 developer, or a team for marketing, a team for sales, a team for HR. You may not have a million, multiple millions of dollars for all this type of stuff, but you do have these AI agents that can really help them. And this can really help compete against the bigger corporations, because you can be leaner, but you can still move and maneuver with agility. So I want to leave you with that as well, because I don't want it to be all doom and gloom. But tell me what you think down in the comment section down below. Do you think this is interesting, or do you think this is the beginning of the end? That being said, your boy Dexter out.